Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have very colorful, very beautiful suggestion from Indonesia my friends. Today we are gonna watch a video named Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds, and we are gonna watch this video from Cornell Lab of Ornithology, and this is gonna be so beautiful, so colorful video. I'm sure that I'm gonna love this video. Let's start my friends. Is this flower? Is it flower? Wow, it is very interesting.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita datang seperti ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
What is these things? These things are very interesting. Look at these feathers. Wow, this is very interesting. I've never seen like this before. And their voices are very powerful. Red bird of paradise. Magnificent bird of paradise. Wow. Magnificent ripple bird. Look at the colors, look at the colors. You are so beautiful, wow. Woo. I think I remember this one. This is very funny. Western parotia. This is very funny bird. Ooh. Yes, I remember this one. I saw it before.
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah Papua.
Tanah Papua. Okay. Papua, this must be very big, right? Very big place, okay. West Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world. With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet.
Okay.
And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Dan yang terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi
Shita Praviti, conservationist. I'm happy to see that there are still rainforests in the world, my friends, because the humans are destroying the rainforest in every year. We are losing our lungs. This is very sad for me. The polar ice are getting melted. The rainforests are destroying. Our future is looking like very terrible. But okay, let's continue.
banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka itu sebetulnya di hutan.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems.
Okay.
Coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity.
Wow. And there are parrots. Wow, they are looking so cute. You are so cute. What an interesting eyes you have. Wow.
Over 600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Dan untuk saya burung di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik. Nggak bisa dilupakan.
Chantik bird. What is this? What is this?
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol of international renown.
Yang burung yang itu boleh dorang selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara baru. Kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung. Kita jalan pas dia suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism.
Mokwam area, welcome special interest tourism destination. Heaven for birds of paradise. I loved so far. The birds are looking so beautiful. They are so cute and they are so funny. And these feathers are looking so interesting. How they can shape like that? Very interesting.
Bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
Okay, that's cool.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih, rangkong, magnificent yang dia main di sini, main di tanah. Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parotia, ini tempatnya main parotia. Burung yang tidak akan panggil khususnya malam itu Papua.
Papuan frogmouth. Okay, so they are looking for this bird. Why? It must be special, right? This bird must be special. Okay.
Frogmouth.
Oh.
Banyak selukai lewa utang no sop tu kai mem tuma wencap tuma arane no ne bisa punya tumi tiai cem. Punya tun cita jam ti cem, punya tu hok tu no, ko indamnya tu hok tu no kai cem.
Yes.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived. The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
Wow, this is looking like so beautiful. Is this mangrove forest? Is this mangrove? Not, no, right? Okay.
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Sapurgren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita.
Okay.
1, hutan.
Okay.
2, konservasi.
Okay.
3, pariwisata.
Okay.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat ya uang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
That's cool.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
Kalau hutan di Papua harus hancur, masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems are degraded, the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Yes.
Arfa ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Through collaborative leadership,
Oh my god, this place is looking so beautiful. This place is so beautiful. What a beautiful village. So peaceful. Wow. So beautiful.
achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting globally significant
This bird is so funny. This is one of my favorites. He's so funny.
biodiversity are possible.
Look at the eyes. Its eyes are looking like blue. What an interesting shape. This is amazing.
For Tanah Papua and all of humanity.
Alam Papua sangat-sangat indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini dan seterusnya. Mari kita mendukung konservasi yang ada di Papua umumnya.
I hope. So this is the end of the video, my friends. What a beautiful, what a peaceful, what a lovely video. What a colorful video, what a funny video. Those birds, they are so precious. So precious video. Thank you, my friends, for your suggestions. Thank you, Cornell Lab of Ornithology YouTube channel, for this beautiful video. We watched Tanah Papua, a paradise for birds. And I loved every minute of this video, my friends. Thank you for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.